So today I'll be solving this question paper. It's an IEB Maths paper 1 for November 2024. So the question says solve for x over 4 minus 1, x plus 2 is equals to 0 for 2 marks. So the first thing that you're going to do is you look at the number of marks that you are given. You're given 2 marks, so you don't need to spend a lot of time doing a lot of things. So since we have this already, we are just going to come here and say x over 4 minus 1 is equal to 0, or x plus 2 is equal to 0. So after doing this, the next step is going to be x over 4 is equal to 1. You take this negative 1 to that side, so it's going to be positive 1. And then for this side, you are going to say x is equals to negative 2, because you take this positive 2 to that side and it will give us negative 2. And then now that we have x over 4 plus 1, we need to further solve it because we have x over 4, not x. So this one is sorted out. We now need to focus on this one. And we are going to multiply by 4 both sides because we have a denominator of 4. So we end up having x is equal to 4, or x is equals to negative 2 for 2 marks. So the question says use the formula x is equals to minus b plus or minus square root of b squared minus 4ac all over 2a to solve for x. If this is our equation, show all working for 4 marks. So the first thing that you're going to notice, this is a quadratic equation. This is a quadratic equation, so we need to use the quadratic formula. So what is the value of a? Our a is equals to 2, and then our b is equals to negative 1. And then the equation says 2x squared minus x is equal to 12. So we are going to take this 12 to that side, and it will give us 2x squared minus x minus 12 is equals to 0, which gives us c is equals to negative 12. And then you come here, so you have your a, you have your b, and you have your c. So we are going to take these values that we have, and then we put them inside this quadratic formula that we have. So x is equal to minus 1 squared plus or minus square root of negative 1 squared minus 4. The value of a is 2, so we are going to substitute 2, and then the value of c is negative 12. We are going to substitute negative 12, and then we divide by 2, and then the value of a is 2. So after we solve, we are going to get 1 plus or minus square root of 1 plus, because this negative and that negative is going to give us a positive. So this is 12 times 2, which is 24, and then 24 times 4, which will give us 96. So 1 plus 96 all over 4. So our final answer will be a decimal y, because we have 1 plus or minus the square root of 1 plus 96 will give us 97. And then we are done with our case.